so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you.
Alright, let's get into it. First on the docket is this soloist sweater. What do we think? It's really warm, but looks very summery. So if you're the kind of person who gets cold easily, this is probably for you because it will keep you warm. But it looks really refreshing, doesn't it? I really like this one. Oh my gosh, this sweater is so cute. I did pair it with an ARITZIA skirt that I already had. It's super comfortable. It's stretchy, but not like, ooh, I can go really far with this. It's like a pretty good amount of stretch, but also tightening, if that makes sense at the same time. It feels good. It feels like a good quality shirt. It's ARITZIA. It's gonna feel quality. It's giving kind of a little bit of 90s vibes because of the little ribbon. The ribbon feeds all the way up to here, so it serves no purpose. And then we have this like cutout here as well. Super soft. I think this was really expensive too, like probably one of the more expensive. Yep, $88. Obviously you can see my bra here. Even if you wear a white bra, because it's kind of see-through, it's gonna show. I think it just fits your body and molds to your body exactly very well without it being too suffocating. The mirror is here, by the way. I'm really liking this one. There are 26 reviews for this. We need the low rating why people don't like this, because I like it. They got a lot of compliments, but you see slight peeling on the armpit area. This is what the armpit looks like. Maybe I should take this off and show you guys to make it a little more appetizing to look at. But this is what the armpit looks like. I don't know. I guess you'll have to decide. I don't see anything so far. Okay, it fits slightly smaller. It's a little see-through. The arm sleeves were a bit too short even if I sized up. This top runs one size small for sure. I honestly do feel like it can be sized up. You wouldn't have a problem. Like, this is an extra small, but I'm pretty sure I could survive with a small too and it'll still look good on my body. It's bodycon, very form-fitting, so you could get away with going a size up. There's only 2 non-5 stars out of the 26 reviews, so pretty good. Okay, I really like this skirt. It gives me very Rachel Green from Friends vibes, or Monica Geller. This gives me 90s vibes is what I'm trying to say. Delicate, so nice. This is how much it stretches. You cannot go more than that. Let me try. You guys need to have a better angle with this skirt. I'm 5'2", I'm pretty short, so it goes up to my shin area. But this skirt is not too long. It doesn't have a zipper though, so you need to make sure you can slide it up past your hips. That's kind of how far it'll go in terms of stretchiness. It's not like suffocating on you. It's very light on your waist. I think it's adorable. This is so cute. Not to put my butt in your face, but you can see the underwear line just a little bit. But it's not see-through. I'm just actually very surprised at how comfortable this is. Shall we look at the reviews? It's made with chiffon. There are 2 layers, gray layer here and then chiffon on top. There is 1 review. They're very stretchy and the length is perfect. I'm 5'7" and these are a true midi on me. I can see in the picture the skirt is supposed to go to the knee. Obviously, since I'm shorter, it's going below that, but it still looks good. So if you're shorter, it would still look good on you, I feel like. But there's only 1 review. Okay, next one. This is so cute. This is the Sculpt Knit Notch, and this notch is very cute. This is pretty thick fabric. For you normal bra wearing people, I think my bra is a demi bra, but like, you know, the normal bra, it covers. It fully just covers exactly what my bra is. So I don't have to worry about getting another bra. I'm loving this. This is very cute. This is so adorable. It's very thick, yet because it's sleeveless, it's very refreshing as well. I don't feel like too tight on it. It is kind of like very high cut. If you wear it with like a cardigan over it, I'm sure it'll look fine. Let us look at the lowest rating, because I obviously told you what the highest good stuff was. The only criticism is that it's a little too short for some people's comfort. I confer that this is pretty freaking cropped. Let's move on to the next item. I don't know if you can tell, but I am really loving everything in this haul so far. This is the Milkshake Skirt. It's a micro mini skirt. Look at that. It is a skirt. It's a shorts underneath with this little lovely flap on top to make it look a little bit more feminine. And then on the back, you can see my butt looks pretty big, bigger than normal on here. Happy with the length, but it's not my size. I got it in a 0. It has 2 actual usable pockets here. It's kind of stiff. Just a little bit more grabbed. It almost kind of looks a little bit like you're about to go golfing. Like an athletic skirt where it's supposed to be thick. It's very structured. It's not like flowy or flimsy or anything like that. So there are no reviews yet for this. Switching up the color of the skirts here. This is the TNA slice skirt. This is an athletic skirt. I love this, what is this? I love this cutout here. This band here, it's very stretchy and I personally, it's not like terrible space, but like I still have some sort of space where I feel like it's not really grabbing as well as I could be grabbed. I mean, it's not terrible. You can see it's a little bit like, I don't know what this is though. What is this? What is this back pocket for? Do you put like your headphones in here? Just like a random pocket. I do know what these pockets are for. You are awkward. It's for your hands. Hi, what's up? How you doing? The shorts are like a pretty good length. Okay, so what I don't like about this skirt is that this flap part, it feels too thin. Like I'm not paying ARITZIA amount of money for this flappy little. If I'm in athletic wear, I know that some people want it to be a little bit more airy because you're sweating, but it's too flimsy. It's not like a good kind of flimsy, it's like a why is it so flimsy kind of flimsy. I mean, the shorts underneath are pretty thick and it feels like it's a good quality. I think I like this the least out of everything I got today so far. There is one review exactly, and it's a 5-star review. The undershorts aren't too short. Like I said, the description is, this is a mid-rise tennis skirt with built-in undershorts, ball pockets, and hidden back waist pockets. So what are you supposed to put in there? So I actually ordered 2 additional more things that have yet to come. ARITZIA usually ships their stuff in like multiple different packages from what I've noticed. So that will be arriving in a few days. I will see you in a few days. Good morning. It is the next day and the ARITZIA package came early. So let's try it on. This is the TNA reverse dress. This is an athletic wear. I am always on the hunt for cute one-piece tennis dresses, so that's why I picked this out. It has a sweetheart neckline. There's no built-in, oh, okay. There's no built-in bra here, so you're gonna have to wear your own sports bra. But that could be a good thing because not every person matches the sizing of the clothes, so that's actually better for me. There is one thing though. You can see through the shorts. Yeah, I can see my underwear. This layer, it goes all the way up here. Like I can put my hand all the way up here. So it's not like it stops here like normal. It hugs you very well. It's super soft. Nice. So this is what the back looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna try on this black sports bra underneath and see if it shows through. I have my black sports bra underneath and you can't totally really see the colors shining through, but because I'm able to wear my own sports bra for my size, this dress fits. Finally! I have a really hard time finding that balance. I read the description because it's a reverse dress. I don't understand why it's a reverse. Is it because this can be, I don't know. I don't know why it's called a reverse dress. If anyone knows, let me know. Side pockets on both sides. Now overall, would I recommend it? Yes. If you're super self-conscious about the see-through portion, you could just get the black color. The adjustable straps here, it's super stretchy. The material feels so nice. I like it. Does not have any reviews on it. Okay, gonna stop feeling myself now. Next one. I am wearing my own American Eagle jeans to pair with this TNA assembly sweater. I think every single color that they came out with for this TNA assembly sweater is really cute, so you really can't go wrong there. And it's super comfortable. I purposely got it in a little bit one size up so that it's comfortable on me, but it is still really stretchy. I got this in a mauve dust accent color. It has the slide v-neck, the short sleeve, and the accent color goes all throughout, even towards the back. It just continues all throughout. With these TNA assembly sweaters, they are freaking $78 for this little itty bitty thing. The quality might be really good and it's gonna last hopefully a long time and it's really pretty. But this itty bitty little thing for $78, which is why I kind of stay away from it. But this is on sale. Jumped at it. This is the back. And you have the ever so subtle TNA logo stitched on there. This person says shorter than expected. This person got an X small. She's 4'11" and 93 pounds, but it was shorter than expected. I'm not sure. I'm 5'2" and I think 100 pounds. I'm not sure. The 1 4-star color on the collar and sleeves as seen on the model is more of a dark pink in real life. Oh no, I think it's a mauve color. But otherwise, I think every other review is really good. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. But I had so much fun. I'm glad a lot of these were really good picks. So I will see you guys next time for another ARITZIA haul. Bye.
I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have